Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the stunning 2026 Cadillac CT5. This luxury sports sedan arrives with a sharper design, premium technology, and the perfect balance of comfort and performance. If you're searching for a stylish sedan that feels luxurious and exciting to drive, stay with us until the end because we'll cover everything from the exterior and interior to the engine, features, and expected price. At first glance, the 2026 Cadillac CT5 immediately grabs attention. The new front design looks bold and modern. Cadillac has refined the signature grille, giving it a wider and more premium appearance. The famous Cadillac badge proudly sits in the center, while the slim LED headlights and vertical daytime running lights give the car a sharp and aggressive personality. Every angle of the front end looks elegant, making the CT5 stand out whether it's parked or driving through the city. Moving to the side, the CT5 has a sleek and sporty profile. The long hood, flowing roofline, and muscular body lines create a luxury sports sedan look. Chrome accents around the windows add elegance, while the aerodynamic shape improves efficiency. The metallic light blue paint shines beautifully under bright lighting, giving the car a premium appearance from every angle. The alloy wheels also deserve attention. Depending on the trim level, buyers can expect stylish 18-inch or optional 19-inch alloy wheels. Their modern design perfectly matches the sporty character of the sedan. Behind the wheels are large disc brakes that not only improve stopping power but also enhance the car's performance-focused look. At the rear, the Cadillac CT5 continues its premium styling. The signature vertical LED taillights are instantly recognizable, while the sculpted trunk lid and sporty rear bumper give the sedan a confident stance. Dual chrome exhaust outlets and a subtle rear spoiler complete the luxury sports appearance. Whether viewed from the front, side, or back, the CT5 looks elegant and athletic. Now let's step inside. Opening the door reveals a cabin that feels modern, spacious, and luxurious. High-quality leather upholstery, soft touch materials, and premium stitching cover almost every surface. Cadillac has paid great attention to detail, creating an interior that feels both comfortable and sophisticated. The front seats are supportive and designed for long-distance comfort. They offer multiple power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and available massage functions on higher trims. Rear passengers also enjoy generous legroom and comfortable seating, making the CT5 practical for everyday family use or business travel. In front of the driver is a fully digital instrument cluster that displays driving information clearly. The large infotainment touchscreen is responsive and easy to use. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to connect their smartphones without cables. The premium sound system delivers crystal clear audio throughout the cabin, while wireless charging, multiple USB ports, voice controls, and over-the-air software updates make daily driving more convenient. The cabin is also impressively quiet. Improved sound insulation reduces road and wind noise, creating a peaceful driving experience even at highway speeds. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin adds a luxurious atmosphere during nighttime driving. Now let's talk about performance. The 2026 Cadillac CT5 is expected to offer multiple engine options depending on the trim. The standard model will likely use a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 237 horsepower. This engine provides smooth acceleration, excellent fuel efficiency, and confident highway performance. For drivers wanting more excitement, Cadillac is expected to continue offering the powerful 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine. This engine delivers over 330 horsepower and impressive torque, making acceleration quick and effortless. Paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission, gear changes are smooth and responsive. Rear-wheel drive comes standard on many trims, while all-wheel drive remains available for improved traction in rain, snow, and challenging road conditions. The suspension is carefully tuned to balance sporty handling with luxury comfort, making every drive enjoyable whether you're in the city or on long highway journeys. Fuel economy is also expected to remain competitive. The turbocharged engine should deliver impressive efficiency for a luxury sport.
Can you keep it on for me like a shower? I need it to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl. And I'm at the door, see you walking up.
Safety is another area where the Cadillac CT5 shines. It is expected to include automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, and the high-definition surround view camera. These advanced driver assistance systems provide extra confidence and peace of mind on every trip. Now let's discuss pricing. Although official pricing may vary by trim and market, the 2026 Cadillac CT5 is expected to start at approximately $40,000 for the base luxury models. Premium luxury and sport trims will likely range between $46,000 and $52,000, while higher performance versions equipped with additional luxury features could exceed $55,000. Overall, the 2026 Cadillac CT5 continues to be one of the most attractive luxury sports sedans in its class. It combines elegant styling, a premium interior, advanced technology, powerful engine options, and impressive safety features into one complete package. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily driver or a sporty executive sedan, the new CT5 offers an excellent balance of luxury and performance. That's all for today's first look at the 2026 Cadillac CT5. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews and first look videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising under moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over it. Checking my maps, heading the stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I need it to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl. And I'm at the door, see you walking up to me, and you got something that's showing what's underneath. Still you expect me to make it do pleasantries, baby, I'm yours. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. Rubbing in the hallway, no use for all the room. So what you wanna do? And she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. She said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. We could catch a vibe here on this trip. I'm in your soul, you're on my head. I want you at my fingertips all night, all night. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. Rubbing in the hallway, no use for all the room. So what you wanna do? And she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can